So now we're gonna be making, I have some spinach that's getting ready to go bad if I don't go ahead on and cook it in the refrigerator. So this is clean out the refrigerator day and cook up some healthy meals out of what's in the refrigerator. So what I have here is some Hillshire Farm turkey Polish sausage. We're gonna take this out the freezer. We're gonna cut this up. Cut it however you want it. Slicing it up. Put this in the spinach. We're going to cook it in the skillet first. We're going to even cut up an onion. And we're just going to make this up as we go. And it's going to be full of flavor. I may not use all this meat, but what I don't use, I'll put in a Ziploc freezer bag, label it, and take it out whenever I need to cook something else with turkey sausage, like some chili or something. All right. Okay. So I'll be back. All right, guys. So I'm going to cut up me a purple onion. Let's see. I'll cut it around. Like I'm hitting everything up right before it goes real bad. Okay. I normally have my garbage can right next to me. I don't know why I got it way over here this time. Okay. Let's chop her up. off from when I put the peppers in there the first time. I mean the peppers, the spaghetti squash. Okay, today is a day we're doing multi-cooking, but I'm not gonna upload each of these videos at one time. They're gonna go up separately. All right, guys, so this is my skillet, as you can see. Bring it over here where you can see a lot better. Let me turn on this light. Okay, so in this skillet, we are going to add a couple of tablespoons of avocado oil. And we're going to turn on the fire and let that warm up. And once again, this is my famous avocado oil. I get this big old jug at Sam's Club for $9.99, and it's 34 ounces. That's a lot of avocado oil. In this container, I know y'all probably looking at this. This is my señorita bread that I made, and I left it out so someone can have some for a piece for breakfast with their coffee. My son will be over to get some, and then I'm going to freeze the rest of that. That's another vlog that's going to come up. All right. So we're going to cook this meat. Well, it ain't even ready yet. Okay. Let's begin to sizzle. So we're going to cook this, as you can see. I'm going to fry that up, and then we're going to come back. Alrighty, so we're going to take these out. They're done enough. See how brown they are, how charred. I love that. We're going to take the first set out. And the reason I'm doing it separately instead of cooking it with the spinach and the rice that I'm going to throw in here is because it gives it a better flavor when you cook your meat separately. Let me turn that fire down. It's a little high. Cooking a little fast on it. That's the last of the sausage. Now with that one, since I got most of it done, I'm gonna add my onion. So the meat can give the onions and the mushrooms, and I'm gonna add the mushrooms. Okay. Oh, I think I need to. You know what? I got so many mushrooms. I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna add a whole little container. So when my son come over today, I'll just give him some of this, and he could take some of this home with him. I'm gonna put a lid on that so it can help the mushrooms cook down. Let me taste a little sausage here. I tell you, that is the best turkey sausage. All right, so let's see what's going on with this skillet. What we're gonna do, we're gonna put some eggs in here and scramble them up. I'll put the lid back on this for a minute while I prepare my eggs. Eggs. That's all I'm doing. Mix these eggs up. And there's no need to add any seasoning because the sausage and stuff in here has so much flavor. There's no need. So we're just gonna leave that off and let the eggs cook in there with this meat. Okay. All right, guys, so I'm gonna take this out and put this in a container, in a bowl. I'm gonna put this in this bowl right here, and now I'm gonna add the fried rice. It's a quinoa rice. Now you see why I said I wasn't going to add all the sausage. See, because that's a whole lot right there. I may add a few pieces of my sausage in that. And that's it. So now I'm going to add a little more oil. Because now I'm going to throw in a bag of this already cooked. This is some cooked quinoa and rice that I got at the Asian market the last time I went. You guys can look back in my videos and you'll see the vlog where I went to the Asian market and I purchased this quinoa rice. I've never tried it, but since I'm trying to get, like I said, these vegetables cooked up that's in the refrigerator before they go bad, I'm just going to do one, and I'm going to stir fry it, and I'm going to put the other one back in the freezer. Oh, it don't cook that. It don't have that much in there, so I'm going to go on and do both bags. Oh, it's just a little taste of rice. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to do both bags. I forgot about the guy coming. Okay, I got so much going on, guys. I'm cooking, and we got these squirrels that keep getting up in our basement. So we called out the squirrel people to come and see where the hose is, how they getting into our, not our basement, in our attic. So I'm gonna turn this down a little more. Put a lid on it, cook this rice down. Oh, no wonder it was such a little bit amount. Each one of these is only one serving, so it's 2 servings of this rice. But I'm gonna make it into a big meal. It's 390 grams of calories, 390 calories, 8 grams of protein per serving. That's pretty good. It's rice, water, rice, chestnuts, radish, chickpea, corn, oil. Sugar is like the 6th ingredient, so it has very little sugar in it. Okay. It's cooked rice with quinoa and multigrains. It has a decent flavor to it. So now let me start putting stuff back in here. Put a couple of pieces of this meat in there. That's it. The rest I'm going to put away. I think that's more than enough. Okay, you guys, I'm going to put some cherry tomatoes in there. Add a little color. And then I'm going to start adding my spinach. My spinach is going to be the last thing I add. And you see this bowl of spinach? I'm going to add this to it. And I'm going to add a little garlic powder and onion powder to it. I'm going to add a little my lemon pepper to it. It's a little dry, so I want to add a little more avocado oil. And last but not least, guys, I'm going to add this feta cheese that I have in here. And I got my bowl of spinach right here, which is the whole reason for me doing all this. Is because I wanted to get this spinach done. Probably never took his clothes out when he went on vacation. Well, he probably was using it to put clothes in because there was so many clothes in there. cut it out. I'm gonna have to edit it with me and you talking and all that anyway. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna put a lid on this. And let that finish cooking down slow. And okay, everybody, this is what she's looking like. And this is just something I made up off the top of my head. It's turkey sausage, mushrooms, feta cheese, spinach, and quinoa grain, multigrain fried rice. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna eat it with you guys. I'm gonna let you guys see me taste it. And we got cherry tomatoes in here. The mushroom. I'm gonna try and get a little bit of sausage and tomato, and we're going in. We're going in. Oh my goodness. Guys, I did not add no salt to this. Everything is as it was, and it is good. I added some garlic, lemon pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. I let all the natural flavors from the tomatoes, from the spinach, the bag fried rice, the turkey sausage, Polish sausage. It sets it off. And I have a fried egg in here. When I tell you these flavors are bursting, and everything tastes, it don't like taste, you know how you cook a food and everything just tastes the exact same. You can't taste the different flavors and aromas in your mouth. Well, this is bursting with all types of flavors. I'm getting everything. The feta cheese, the tomatoes, the quinoa, the rice. It all blends well together. So, kudos. Another one and done. If this is your first time watching me, hi, my name is Carmelita, and this is life after gastric bypass and retirement. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button. Hit the like button so YouTube can share my video and algorithm. And hit the bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And for those returning, thank you so much. I appreciate all the love and all the support. I am all about healthy eating, and every once in a while, I will put up a video with just regular foods. Everything is in moderation. And we go live, at least, I try and go live at least once a week, and that's normally on a Thursday or a Wednesday. All right, for now, it is the end, and I must say goodbye. And as always, you guys, remember, peace, love, and happiness is the only way to live.